Oh my goodness. It's hailing. Oh. Wow. What is going on up here in these mountains? Hey, isn't it supposed to be warming up here yet? Look at that. Oh my gosh. The other day it was snow, and today it's hail. Wow. That's funny. Wow. Ooh. It's coming down in droves. Larry said he probably... You spoke it into existence. He said, I wouldn't doubt it if it snows. And look at that. It's not snowing. It's hail. Oh boy. Well. Ah! Is that lightning? Oh my gosh. These guys are crazy up here. Oh boy. And you see blue skies over there on the other side, in between the trees back there. While we're over here getting plummeted with ice. Oh, wow. I wonder if we're going to get buried up here. Wow. See how long this is going to last, honey?
Yeah.
Huh?
It lasts too long.
I think it's cool. Can you see it out the back window? I don't know how to do my camera. Oh, there it goes. Oh, wow. It's so crazy. Why does it look like it's trying to accumulate? It's tapping like what, honey? I can't hear you. What, Joey, Daddy? What Daddy saying, Joey? Huh? He's like, don't get me in the middle of this.
You need a tissue box so I can get up there.
You better stop shaking at me. What do you think this is, huh? Huh? All right. Look at you. All right, have a seat. Look at them, they're hiding back there. There's 4 of them, isn't there? Did you see? The white one that you were talking about, that you seen walking by the road. Oh my goodness, they were gonna come over here. Oh, there's the white one right there. Oh. I wonder where they're going. They come by here all the time. They're gone. Ugh. What, you ready to go back? Wait, let mommy get a picture of this. Look at that. That's going downhill. Look at that. This is what you call way up in the mountains. Joey's ready to go back. What? Goodness gracious. You're so pushy. Wait a minute. Wait. Let's go. Wait for me. We go back where Daddy's at, okay? Oh gosh. I seen a bunch of deer track. Wish I could go shooting. Deer meat. Not. Well, I'm in the area where there's no camping. But they don't say you can't visit or walk through it. Oh. We're coming back towards camp. Me and Joey did our morning walk already. I think he's getting itchy. Come on, let's go so we can eat some breakfast. Look at those deer. That's deer right there. Correct me if I'm wrong. That was a deer hoof. Let's see if I can find some more. I did see some more around here somewhere. Let's see. Come here. Oh, there must have been a few of them. All right, I'm coming. You're so pushy, huh? You ready for eat? You ready to go eat? Let's see what Daddy's brewing in the kitchen. And this is everywhere. We had such torrential rains the last few days. Look at all that. People were getting stuck like crazy everywhere last night. Look at that. Somebody got stuck here. Well, these guys made it. Come on, this way. They're coming in, rolling in. Tons of them. Last night they were coming in all night long. You gotta go poopus again? What? Uh-oh. These guys are gonna go through the mud. Yeah. Hold on. Hey. This way. Get ran over. That tree fell in the middle of the roadway right there. It's no camping behind there anyway. But look at that. Ugh. It rained so hard the other night. Left swimming pools everywhere. Uh-oh, there's another one. That's where people are getting stuck right here. Look at that. Ugh. Mud, mud, mud. Today it's so crowded. So many people here. They came in at night. They came in at night. They came in at night over on the left side. We've been here for a few days now. This is 14-day limit up in the White Mountains. Go back and get some breakfast. Huh, Jojo? Ugh, mud, mud. Why are you walking through the mud? Right here. Okay. And that's us. In between a bunch of people that decided to come in. And, whoa, Joey, wait, wait. And then they just parked right next to us. Boom, bam, set up camp. They're right outside our living room window on the other side. On that picture of Darcy up in the hills in Paul.
I better take my hat off.
Yeah, please.
Why? I don't want to see your bald head.
You see his hat though.
What? Let me see that. Let me see it. Oh. You're fired. I told you you were fired. We'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Love you.
Love you.
Looking off of the ledge. I don't know if you can see that, but that's a cliff. Let's go find that seat that we saw. on the edge of it. Don't walk off the cliff. Don't get too close. Huh? What is? Honey, you're really close. That looks scary to me. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Let me get on this side. Oh Lordy. Honey, don't get too close. Don't get too close. Sitting on top of the world. Scary. I wonder if anybody ever talks about the rim. I hardly hear anybody speak of this place. It's a pretty beautiful place up here. You're right here at the rim.
On the rim.
On the rim. If you go the wrong way at night, ooh.
You'll be the rim.
Splash. No pun intended.
Fast food. Small bag, $3. Small nice bag is $6. Yeah.